I think that the Indian domains and hosting market specifically will grow from 3.5 million domain names right now in 2012 to about 16 million domain names in 2016. That would probably translate to 6.4 million active websites being hosted within the Indian market for Indian customers, and that would amount to 22.5 billion rupees in annual sales in 2016.
This is the phase where we have enough broadband penetration, okay, where it is reaching the stage, and the customer awareness is there about getting online as much as it should be, courtesy Facebook and a lot of other interesting things happening in the industry. Plus, the hosters are getting very excited.
I'm excited to see so many people so interested in hosting at this conference. It's very surprising to see that shared hosting is still booming and active in India. Lots of people do shared hosting, interested in shared hosting, reselling shared hosting.
Currently in India, there are near about the total business market, the total entrepreneur market in India, only 7% of them have been their business online. So from this particular data, you can assume how much potential we have in this particular sector.
So what's actually fueling the internet growth in India, right, or the growth of internet users? You look at 3G. 3G is expected to grow to about 220 million users in 2016. You look at WiMAX and 4G, they're expected to grow to millions of users once again. Smartphones, 150 million users in 2014 itself. PCs and laptops doubled in the last 2 years.
Currently, the internet penetration in India is 120 million internet users, and it's expected to grow 3.5 times in 3 years' time.
The reasons, the driving factors for these are consumerization of IT, and it has also a lot to do with the increase of population.
From India, there is a good paying response in the Middle East, in Singapore.
Now things are changing. So the hosting industry or the hosters now feel infrastructure is much more ready. They can get their servers back to India. In terms of latency, that's another issue which they had when servers were based out of US. That has been taken care of.
And in terms of the hosting industry in India itself, what we have seen is that till now it's been mostly in terms of supporting domains and stuff. But I think based on the maturity of the small and medium business as well as the enterprises in India, we are seeing that more and more companies are looking beyond just getting the domains. So they want to get in virtual private servers, and that is the space which we are addressing here.
The SSL growth and the domain name growth in India is becoming is one of the fastest. So we want to jump onto that and help issue digital certificates to all those domain names needing security.
I believe the Indian hosting industry would grow at a phenomenal rate. It has grown in the past at X, and the future right now is believed to be X into 5.
The Indian hosting market will be even better than other markets in the world, not only because there are 1.2 billion users, but specifically as all small businesses, and you have a lot of small businesses in India.
Companies in India are up and coming. This is why we're here. And to be honest, with the foot flow that we've had today, it's been the best WHD show that we've been to so far.
We're at a point where you're going to see an inflection in numbers very, very soon, right? So if you want to make sure that you can benefit from this inflection, you need to basically have everything in place. You need to have a kick-ass product. You need to make sure that you're not only working on SEO, you're also working on feet on street sales. You're starting off multiple brands. You're also productifying your business if you're a web designer to as large an extent as possible, and you need to provide top-notch support.